Hello, here's another little update of my studio project. We just finished all the paneling inside. We've got to put trim up, you know, where it meets, but wow. Let me see if I can get a better shot here and pull out a little bit. There we go. Yeah, we did the ceiling, all the sides. Had to cut out for all these. There's my electrical. All I have left is those two little spots up there and a long piece along there. And then we're done with the paneling install. Then we have to sand it to get all the stuff off and fill in little spots and stuff. And then this is the, it's hard to see. Yeah, you can see it pretty good here. This is the color this is just stain here, but I'm going to get a polyurethane tinted. Let's see if you can see it. I think you can see it. Tinted to this shade. It's sort of called a warm pecan, but my inspiration is let me go over here. If you've ever looked at the interiors of vintage Airstreams, it's kind of reminiscent of that. They were all plywood, and see, I got lights up here, and really nice bent, beautiful plywood. I don't know how they did it, but whoa, it's really nice. So that's kind of my inspiration for the interior in here. And yeah, see, I took the shelf off here, put my desk along here. I ordered a storage cabinet that just arrived, and boy, is it heavy. It took both of us on hand trucks to get it in the garage. And then I'm gonna put a desk here. I might use one of these doors as a desk, and I ordered some 28-inch hairpin legs and put it along there. So it's getting there. So the next step will be filling, trim, sanding, and then polyurethaning. Let me see if yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, see, we did the ceiling too. Might as well. And it's all insulated. So that's my story for today. I'm so glad this is done. I do love plywood, and see, when I put the color on, it'll bring out the grain nicer. If you can see there, it brings out the grain really nice. So I love the plywood. It's just like a thing. It smells so good. So that's what I've got going. And then the very last thing will be the floor. I'm just going to get a piece of sheet vinyl for now. Lay it down and put my baseboard along there. So that's what I've got going. So I'll keep you updated. I'll see you later. Bye.